Welcome to Beautyistic. How many of you are frustrated with the struggle of flossing? It's something that's vital to our oral health, yet it's often a hassle, especially when you're in a rush. What if I told you there's a simple alternative that's easy to use and just as effective? Today, we're talking about Gum Soft Picks Original, a disposable interdental brush designed to help you clean between your teeth effortlessly. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional flossing, this might just be what you need. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest reviews. Gum Soft Picks are a dentist-recommended solution for keeping your teeth and gums healthy. These easy-to-use dental picks come in a convenient 50-count pack with 6 packs in total, and they're designed to slide gently between teeth, removing plaque and food particles. Thanks to the soft bristles, they provide a much more comfortable experience compared to traditional flossing, especially for those with smaller spaces between their teeth, braces, or other orthodontic appliances. Each set is packaged in a compact, portable case, making it perfect for on-the-go use. You can easily carry it in your wallet, car, or handbag. After testing these for a few weeks, I was pleasantly surprised at how easy they were to incorporate into my daily routine. Unlike regular dental floss, the Gum Soft Picks are much gentler and quicker to use, especially if you're dealing with tight spaces. I found it really handy to use them after meals, and it was a great way to freshen up my mouth in just a few seconds. I also liked that they didn't cause any discomfort or bleeding, unlike some flossing options I've tried in the past. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, these picks are incredibly easy to use, even for those who are not accustomed to flossing. The soft bristles make them gentler on the gums and teeth, and they're ideal for people with sensitive teeth or braces. The portable case is another huge plus. I love being able to carry them around, which made it easy to use them anytime, anywhere. They're also disposable, so there's no mess or cleaning involved after use. On the downside, while they're great for general plaque and food removal, they might not be as effective as traditional floss when it comes to deeply cleaning between your teeth. If you have larger gaps or need something for more intense cleaning, you may need to complement this with regular flossing. Another consideration is that the plastic handles may not be as environmentally friendly as some reusable alternatives, which could be a downside for eco-conscious users. So, is it worth the price? Given that these come in a 50-count pack with 6 packs in total, they're a pretty affordable option for those who want to maintain oral hygiene without the hassle of traditional floss. The price is justified for the convenience, ease of use, and gentle cleaning action. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something with similar functionality but at a lower price point, there are some generic brands of interdental picks that offer a comparable experience. However, the Gum Soft Picks stand out for their comfort, portability, and dentist recommendation. These picks are made of durable plastic, and the bristles are soft but firm enough to do the job. The compact, travel-friendly case is an added bonus. I did notice that they were effective at keeping my gums healthy without causing irritation or discomfort. Given that dental hygiene is crucial for overall health, I can confidently say that this product does meet the mark when it comes to ease of use and efficiency. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Gum is known for providing quality care and standing behind their products. So if you do ever need assistance, their customer service team is responsive and helpful. If you're not totally convinced, there are cheaper alternatives available. But if you're willing to invest a little more for quality, these soft picks are a solid choice. They're easy to use, portable, and dentist recommended, all key factors for maintaining your oral health. To wrap it up, Gum Soft Picks Original are a great choice for anyone looking for an alternative to traditional flossing, especially if you have tight spaces between your teeth or use braces. While they may not replace traditional flossing entirely, they're a fantastic tool for everyday plaque removal and a fresh smile on the go. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.